Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to mute your microphone in Jitsi Meet step by step. Muting your microphone helps reduce background noise and prevents interruptions during online meetings, making conversations clearer for everyone. So let's get started. First, open Jitsi Meet in your web browser or mobile app and start a meeting. Once you've entered the meeting, make sure your microphone is working properly and that you've granted Jitsi Meet permission to access it. Next, look for the microphone icon on the meeting toolbar, usually located at the bottom of the screen. If the microphone icon is active, your audio is currently being transmitted to everyone in the meeting. Now, click or tap the microphone icon once to mute yourself. After muting, the microphone icon will display a slash through it, indicating that other participants can no longer hear your voice. You'll still be able to hear everyone else unless you leave the meeting or adjust your speaker settings. If you need to speak again, simply click or tap the microphone icon one more time to unmute yourself. During larger meetings, it's a good habit to stay muted when you're not speaking to minimize background noise and improve the overall meeting experience. Finally, if your microphone doesn't respond, check that Jitsi Meet has permission to use your microphone and confirm that the correct input. And that's it. You now know how to mute your microphone in Jitsi Meet and help keep your online meetings clear, professional, and distraction-free. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next